How to change your billing address on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can change your billing address on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your billing address on Amazon, billing address and delivery address is a bit different. Billing address is where you started or get billed at, so depending upon your payment method you have to change your billing address accordingly. So for this, first of all, go to amazon.com from your browser, then sign into the account. Click the account and list option from the top right hand side of the screen here. Once you click on this option, you'll see all these sorts of options, but you want to scroll under order and shopping preferences. You'll find this option called your payments over here. So as you can clearly see here, you want to make sure to go to your payments option. When you go to your payments, just click on the edit button next to the card you've added. So currently I've not added any card. Just click on the edit button next to any of the card that you've added, and then just go ahead and then click the address button, and then you can change the billing address in that way respectively. So this way you can change the billing address on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.